Canva Pro app. The pros, the cons. Canva Pro has transformed the way people design graphics, but is it worth upgrading from the free version? Let's explore. The biggest advantage is accessibility. Canva Pro provides thousands of templates, premium stock photos, videos, and design elements that make creating professional visuals easy. Users can resize designs for multiple platforms with a single click using the magic resize feature. For example, a social media manager can create a post for Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn in minutes. Elaboration is another strong point. Teams can share projects, comment, and assign tasks directly within Canva. Brand kits ensure consistent colors, fonts, and logos across all materials. On the downside, Canva Pro can be limiting for advanced designers. While it's perfect for quick and visually appealing content, it doesn't offer the same precision as Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. Additionally, the subscription cost may be prohibitive for occasional users, and some templates may feel repetitive. In conclusion, Canva Pro is excellent for marketers, small businesses, and anyone needing quick professional designs. It's user-friendly, collaborative, and packed with creative assets. But if you require advanced editing or unique customizations, it may not replace traditional design software entirely.